Let me share a secret that's changing lives for men everywhere. Imagine being able to boost your performance in just 15 seconds. It might sound impossible, but this simple salt trick is proving everyone wrong. And the best part? You already have everything you need in your kitchen. This isn't just some gimmick. Harvard scientists discovered this method, and it's helped over 100,000 men increase blood flow by an astonishing 304.2%. No pills, no awkward devices, just a natural solution that works. And here's something you probably didn't know. The same trick has been a closely guarded secret in Hollywood. Movie stars rely on it to stay ready, no matter the moment, no matter how many rounds. Now it's your turn. Whether you're 25, 45, or even 55, this is your chance to take control, to show up with confidence, and never doubt yourself again. Don't wait another moment. The famous salt trick is so difficult to get right that we decided to create something much more practical. Nitrox Pro, a powerful formula designed to boost blood flow and improve circulation effortlessly. Click the link below and discover how Nitrox Pro can transform your life. The solution is simple, effective, and just a click away. You deserve this, and you've waited long enough. Secure your bottle before it's too late.